welcome back to Shortcut Shari's Tips and Tricks. This tip's going to be real quick today. If you've ever worked on a file for a lengthy period of time and then lost all your work because you just failed to save it, that's very, very frustrating. I have people that are like, well, how often should I save? And I go back and say, you know what? How often do you want to redo everything you just did? It's always a good idea to save your files periodically. So instead of having to mess with the menus or the ribbons or anything else, let's just do a quick shortcut of CTRL+S. CTRL+S saves your file. And then you can go on your merry way and work on your file, and then periodically hit CTRL+S and save your work. No more lost productivity. And by the way, that shortcut works not just in Excel, but every program. Thanks for watching. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.